I love traveling, and what makes traveling even better is good planning, good organizing, and having the right products that make your life easier. So in this video, I'm sharing 15 travel products that I think are absolute essentials or just really handy things to have with you when you're traveling. Some of these I already use myself, and some I found while looking through Amazon that I would definitely consider buying. So let's get into it. A tracker. I recently saw a video on social media where a group of friends were traveling and their things were stolen from their car. Luckily, they had put air tags or some kind of trackers inside their bags, and they were actually able to find their bags in some bushes off the road because the thieves threw them out or threw them off the road onto the bushes, which is crazy. Before I've seen these kinds of videos, I never really thought that I would need an AirTag or tracker. But recently, I've been seeing more and more videos about luggage getting lost or things being stolen while traveling. And now it sounds more useful than ever. It's so small that you can just leave it inside your luggage, and if your bag ever goes missing, you have a way to track it. Travel pillow. If you're like me and struggle to sleep on planes, a good travel pillow can make a big difference. But I've never really liked those U-shaped neck pillows, or at least they just don't work for me. This one I found is quite different because it wraps around your neck and gives you something to lean against. I haven't tried this personally, but if you're like me in need for a new neck pillow, this is definitely the one I'd consider buying or getting and trying. Noise cancelling earbuds. Noise cancelling on planes is a must for me. I'm really bad at sleeping on planes, and the constant noise from the plane definitely doesn't help. I like to put my noise cancelling headphones on, turn myself off from everything around me, and either listen to music, podcast, or just watch movies. So if you travel a lot, I think good noise cancelling headphones or earbuds are definitely worth having. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you're looking for a travel camera, a small vlog camera, compact, this one is it. I absolutely love mine, and I use it every time I travel. It's compact, it's really easy to use, and its quality is great. And it's so small that I can just put it in my small bag or my backpack, and yeah, just very convenient. And one of my favorite things about it is that no one really notices when I'm using it because how small it is in public. And it's much less intimidating than walking around with a big camera or my phone, which makes filming while traveling so much easier and better. Travel steamer. If you're traveling with clothes that wrinkle easily, a small travel steamer can be a lifesaver. You can throw it in your suitcase and quickly steam your clothes when you arrive. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to spend their holiday walking around in clothes that look like they've been sitting at the bottom of a suitcase for 3 days, especially if you go out for nice dinners, nice places. You want to look nice. Airplane phone holder. This is one of those really simple products that can make a flight more comfortable, especially if there's no in-flight entertainment. It's a small phone holder that attaches to the tray table or the seat in front of you. So instead of holding your phone for hours, you can just put it in the holder and watch your own movies or TV series hands-free. It's especially handy if you prefer watching things on your own phone instead of the airplane screen as well. Travel makeup case. I think having everything organized while traveling makes you stress a lot less. You don't want to be searching through your whole suitcase just to find one little product. A good travel makeup case keeps your makeup, skincare, and other small things together and easy to find. And the best part is that it has a mirror, and you can use it in the evenings when there's not such a great light, especially in hotel rooms, or there's no daylight. It's just perfect to put all your makeup things in and use it as a makeup table. Waterproof beach sandals. Travel shoes that are actually useful and comfortable can make a big difference. I personally love plastic Birkenstock sandals because they're so perfect for a beach holiday, and you can wear them to the beach, you can wear them to the pool, you can wear them in a spa or just around your hotel, and they're so lightweight. They're also really easy to clean, and you don't have to worry about getting them wet. And because they're so lightweight, they're much easier to pack than another pair of shoes. Carry-on backpack. A good carry-on backpack can make traveling so much easier. I like backpacks that have lots of different compartments because you can keep your laptop, passport, electronics, and other things separate and find them so much easier. You don't have to dig through your whole bag every time you need something. And if you're traveling just with a carry-on, a good backpack can fit a surprising amount of things. Cable organizer. I really like keeping my things organized while traveling, so I can find them easily and quickly when I need them. I usually have one cable organizer for my carry-on and one for my suitcase. It keeps all your chargers, cables, SD cards, and other small things together instead of having everything tangled up at the bottom of your bag. It's a small thing, but it makes packing and traveling a little bit less messy. Hair tools, travel bag, and heat-resistant mat. If you travel with a straightener, curling iron, or other hair tools, this is another really handy thing to have. You can keep all your hair tools together instead of having them loose in your suitcase. And the heat-resistant mat is especially useful because you can put your hot hair tools down without worrying about damaging the surface or if the thing is still hot. So it's great for both organizing and safety while traveling. Biodance mask. This is just a small product that I think is perfect for long flights, or flights at least 3 hours long, because this mask has to stay on your skin for about 3 hours until it goes see-through or clear, which sounds like a long time normally in everyday life, but on longer flights, that's actually perfect. You can put it on during the flight, watch a movie, or try to sleep, and when you land, your skin already feels better and looks much more glowy. So it's basically a little skincare treatment while you're sitting on a plane anyway. AirFly Pro Bluetooth transmitter. If you like using your own headphones on a plane, this is such a handy little product. You connect the AirFly to the airplane's entertainment system, and then you can connect your own Bluetooth headphones to it. So you can use your own noise cancelling headphones instead of those cheap wired headphones they give you, which usually they don't sound that good either. So it's always better to use your own headphones. Compression socks. For long flights, compression socks are another thing I think are worth packing. When you're sitting on a plane for hours, your legs and feet can start feeling pretty uncomfortable. But compression socks can make long flights much more comfortable, and they take up almost no space in your bags. So especially if you're flying a very long haul, these are an easy thing to throw into your carry-on. Sunglasses organizer. If you have more than one pair of sunglasses, this organizer can come in really handy. Instead of having your sunglasses loose in different parts of your suitcase or in your bag and having to worry if they might break, you can keep several pairs together in one place without having to worry if they're gonna break somewhere. So they're less likely to get scratched or crushed in your carry-on or in your luggage. So those were some handy travel products that I absolutely recommend, and some that I personally can't travel without. I think the right products can make traveling a little bit easier and definitely a little bit better. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!